Hey guys, it's Matt here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get started with Alamofire. So let's get started. So Alamofire is a library that helps you to do better networking in Swift. It's just a really great library overall. So yeah, let's get into it. So the first thing we're going to do here is we're going to delete all of our old code because we don't need it. Okay. Just get rid of all of the WebView code. I'll go into our main storyboard. We're not even going to be using the storyboard, but I just want a clean slate. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that first, and then we're going to delete our WebView. So now we're going to head back to the view controller, and we're going to get ready. So what we're going to need to do first, we're going to need to go to the Alamofire GitHub page, and then we're going to go ahead and we're going to copy that. We're going to open up a terminal. We're going to cd to wherever you saved your Xcode project. And this would be YouTube test, YouTube demo. Okay, so we're going to do git clone, then that URL. And so now it's going to go ahead and download Alamofire. So you can use a package manager like CocoaPods, but from my experience, this is just the best way and produces the least amount of errors. So now we're going to go ahead and go to our documents, or wherever you saved it to. YouTube demo, Alamofire. And then we're going to go ahead and drag in alamofire.xcode project right there. Okay, we can close this. So now what we need to do is we need to go to the name of our application. Whoops. Okay. So now that we're here, we're gonna go ahead and go to build phases, target dependencies, and then we're gonna go ahead and grab Alamofire. And then we're going to click on this, and then we're going to do the same thing. We're going to choose iOS, and then we're going to create new copy files phase. We're going to name it copy framework, frameworks. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and frameworks, add one all the way down here, alamo.framework. Okay. Now if we go back over to general, we just want to make sure that right there we've got alamo.framework and alamo.framework. Okay, now we have Alamofire added to our iOS app. So now we're going to head over to the view controller and we're going to start writing our code. So if we go back to the Alamofire page, there is an example that we can go ahead and grab. Okay, right here. We're going to download and we're going to display some JSON. Go back to Xcode, paste that right in, and now we should be able to run then the simulator. Oh, yeah, I'm kind of stupid. Okay, we're not done yet. We need to delete that, and then we need to build it first. So that way it compiles Alamofire into it. Okay. And then we import Alamofire. Now we can paste that and run it. And now it should successfully build. There we go. Build succeeded. Okay. And what it should do is it should print the JSON right here in the console. And that's exactly what it did. Okay, that's great. Now you see we're getting some warnings here, but they're pretty much just asking us to reference them first, but you don't really need to. So if your application, if you're trying to load a JSON file from HTTP, not HTTPS, you're going to need to go up here and then info, and then you need to make sure that you have app transport security settings and allow arbitrary loads set to yes. As soon as you do that, it lets HTTP websites load, and you should be able to load it if you're having an issue. But that's all for now. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. But for now, peace.